Now we have two drawing activities. The first one is called, Can you draw a caterpillar? Using the life cycle down here, you can use the images to help you with drawing your own caterpillar. If you flip the page, it is called, Can you draw a bee and a honey jar? Like the caterpillar, you can use the life cycle down here to help you with your drawing. Let's begin drawing our caterpillar. We can start by drawing a circle. This will be the head of our caterpillar. We can then move on to drawing the antennas and the face. By drawing the antennas, we'll draw a straight line up, a little circle on the top. For the face, we can draw some eyes and a mouth. Now we can move on to the body. We can draw the body by drawing half circles connecting to our head. You can draw as many as you like, depending on how big you want your caterpillar. At the end, draw a little circle for the end of our caterpillar. Now we can draw the legs. We will need a pair for each of our half circles. Now we can draw the legs. You'll need a pair for each of your half circles. Just like that. The last few details are drawing small circles for the little feet. Wow, what a beautiful caterpillar! Why don't we count how many legs we have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now all there is left to do is colour in your caterpillar. Good job, boys and girls. If you flip your page, you'll be able to see the page where it says, Can you draw a bee and a honey jar? Let's begin by drawing a bee. We will first make a small circle, just like that. We can then move on to making an oval shape for the body just underneath our circle. We can now make some lines in the body of the bee for the stripes. The next step is to make the face. We can draw some eyes and a mouth. Now we can move on to drawing the first set of wings. Just like that, on either side. Underneath our first set of wings, we can draw some little wings. Like that. Our next step is to draw the two antennas on top of the head. Now, the last step is to draw the sting on the end of the body. What a beautiful bee, boys and girls. Now, let's move on to drawing a honey jar. We can draw a jar like this with the lid on top. And as honey is very sticky, we can have some honey dripping down like that. If you like, you can put the letter H for honey on your jar. Excellent work, guys.